This recipe for Instant Pot Salsa Verde chicken is what dinner dreams are made of. With just 10 ingredients, this recipe is incredibly easy to prep and cook, making it the perfect meal prep recipe. The saucy chicken is a delicious addition to everything from burrito bowls and grain bowls to enchiladas, tacos, salads, and more. Here is what you're going to need. First off, you're going to need some chicken, and I like to use a combination of boneless, skinless chicken breasts and thighs. It just adds a nice texture, but you can use either one of them, both of them work great. You're also going to need some jarred salsa verde. You can use homemade salsa verde, but that kind of defeats the purpose of this being a quick meal, so I like to use a jarred salsa verde. Fresh garlic and jalapeno lay a really nice foundation of flavor. I like to keep the seeds and ribs in for an extra spicy chicken dish, but if you don't like spice, you can remove the ribs and seeds, and if you love spice, you can use serrano instead of jalapeno. Then we're going to need a combination of spices. Ground cumin, Mexican oregano, and onion powder is what you need. If you don't have Mexican oregano, marjoram makes a great substitution, as well as regular oregano. Then for a little bit of freshness, you need some scallions, aka green onions, and some fresh cilantro, and then just a touch of honey to round out all of the flavors. The full recipe is linked below in the caption. If you make this, let me know what you think. I hope you enjoy this really quick, delicious chicken dish, and be sure to like and subscribe. Zestful Kitchen.